Rangitoto Island.
Yeah, sure.
What's the status today?
So we got 12.20.
Maybe the last one? Any offers or discounts?
No, just a flat rate, I'm afraid. Straight down the end.
There.
Hey everyone, welcome to another adventure trip on my channel. Today we're exploring a volcanic island in the Hauraki Gulf near Auckland. In New Zealand, biosecurity is crucial. Before and after visiting any island, it's mandatory to clean shoes, bags, clothes to ensure no flora, fauna, particles enter or leave the country.
Yes.
A regular daily ferry service from either downtown Auckland or Devonport Wharf makes getting to Rangitoto Island easy and convenient. Before boarding the ferry, important instructions are given to all visitors. There is a total fire ban on Rangitoto Island, so it's essential to be cautious. Make sure not to miss your return ferry, as there is no overnight accommodation. Alternative transport back to the mainland can be costly. You will need to bring your own food and water since there are no shops on the island. You must carry your own garbage back with you to help protect the environment. As our ferry arrived, we waited for the passengers to disembark before boarding for our adventure.
Hey. Yep. Yeah.
We are ready to board the ferry. Let the adventure to Rangitoto Island begin. Our ferry was operated by Fuller's 360, the top ferry operator in Auckland, offering services to popular destinations in the Hauraki Gulf, including Rangitoto Island and Waiheke Island. Their vessels accommodate 100 to 150 passengers, allowing seating both inside and in the open deck area for an enjoyable experience. It also features amenities such as a cafe with a petite menu and viewing decks for passengers to enjoy the scenery. The weather was perfect for outdoor activities, sunny and windy, creating an ideal atmosphere for exploring Rangitoto Island. The upper deck seating provided a lounge-like atmosphere, perfect for enjoying the views while cruising towards Rangitoto Island. Finally, we settled in as our ferry waited for another vessel to dock. Suddenly, some last-minute passengers rushed in, adding a bit of excitement to our departure. One of the most amazing things is watching the Auckland skyline from the sea. It's truly mesmerizing. The cafe on the ferry was really cute, serving only a few items. It's a great place to grab snacks and drinks before heading to the island, as nothing will be available there. As we sailed, we could see Devonport, our first stop. It's a charming seaside suburb known for its beautiful beaches, quaint cafes and stunning views of the Auckland skyline. Here comes our first stop, Devonport. Only a few passengers disembarked, so we left soon after. It's a lovely spot, but we were eager to continue our journey to Rangitoto Island. We will visit Devonport soon and share another detailed video about it. Stay tuned for more insights on this charming suburb. Here we catch a small glimpse of Rangitoto Island, its iconic volcanic cone rising majestically from the sea. The island's rugged landscape and unique geology make it a fascinating destination to explore. It's known for its stunning landscapes, lava fields and amazing views, so stay tuned for an epic adventure. After a short ferry ride, we arrived at Rangitoto Island. We disembarked the ferry and got ready for an exciting 5-hour hike to explore the island's rugged volcanic landscape and stunning views. first ferry to reach and plan to catch the last ferry back, allowing us to spend a good amount of time exploring the island.